Welcome! In this guide, we'll walk through how to set up and use the MCP server in Visual Studio Code with ConnexCS. Let's begin by opening Visual Studio Code. Open the folder of your choice. Now, under this folder, create a new folder called vscode. Inside the vscode folder, create a new file called mcp.json. Next, in this mcp.json file, copy the configuration from the ConnexCS documentation and paste it here. You will need a JWT token to authorize from ConnexCS. To get this JWT token, go to the ConnexCS control panel, then navigate to Settings, Integrations, JWT Keys. Create a new JWT token here. Give it a name, for example, MCP Server. Set the type to Access Token. Choose the validity period for the token and click Save. Copy the token and close the window. Now, go back to Visual Studio Code. Replace the placeholder token in your configuration with the actual token you just copied. Press Ctrl+S to save. Now press Ctrl+Shift+P, choose MCP List Servers. You will see the ConnexCS server here. Click on Start Server. You can see it is running. Let's interact with this MCP server using Copilot Chat. Click on Chat and ask for any information. For example, list basic information for customer and kit test. Now let's ask one more query about why this call is not connected. You can see the reasons on why that call is not connected and provided the summary of what happened, and likely cause. This is how you can use MCP Server in VS Code. And that's it. You've successfully set up and connected your MCP server in Visual Studio Code. You can now start leveraging it through Copilot Chat to retrieve information and perform actions more efficiently. If you run into any issues, double-check your configuration and token setup. Thanks for following along.